Hey guys, Kyle at Great Vacs here. In today's video we're going to show you the proper way to assemble your D4 Rainbow vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, let's get started. In front of me, got a few items. Let's go over them real quick. We got a Rainbow D4 model, a telescopic extendable wand, a hose, and a D4 power head. We also have these magical cord clips. I'll go over those a little later. So the main difference between an SE and a D4 is on the power head, the D4 has a longer cord. The main reason for this is the power head cord plugs directly into the canister, where the SE has the power cord on the hose. Just go ahead and get the cord unwind, get your telescopic wand, plug that in there. Just go ahead and get your hose plugged into your Rainbow. Get your hose up top. Once that's all assembled, you can plug your power head cord directly into your Rainbow. And you might notice on the back side of the wand there's these cord clip guides that you can put your cord in to kind of clean it up a little bit. So we'll go ahead and do that. But now you might be wondering, what am I supposed to do with all this extra cord? Well, remember how I mentioned those magical cord clips? That's where these come in handy. The nice thing about this is you can go ahead and kind of twirl the cord around the hose, and as you do so, you can use these clips to hold the cord in place to clean up all that extra slack. So just find your points of where you want to do your cord, clip it down, and this will clean up the cord greatly, and you won't have a bunch of extra cord slack laying around as you vacuum your carpets. Got two more left. And just like that, your D4 Rainbow vacuum cleaner is fully assembled the correct way.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to comment below. And also, if you're looking to buy any parts or supplies or upgrade your current Rainbow to a newer model with a 5-year warranty, click below and get you all taken care of. And don't forget guys, like this video and subscribe to our channel.